After 5 weeks, the Tuesday phenomenon has come to an end. The Indian equity indices ended with modest losses as traders preferred to book some profit following the recent rally. The main benchmarks retreated from their intraday highs in the afternoon trade after the government's advance estimate for FY12 showed that GDP is likely to grow by less than 7%. Although the numbers are not surprisingly, they certainly gave market players an excuse to step back after a 5-week winning streak. The government today released its advanced GDP estimate for the year ending March 2012. The GDP is expected to expand by 6.9% in FY12 as against a healthy 8.4% in last 2 years. The Indian economy had expanded by a modest 6.7% in 2009 in the wake of global financial crisis. The sentiment was also edgy today due to concerns about Greece's ability to secure a second bailout package from the international lenders to avert a default. Aviation shares like Kingfisher Airlines, Jet Airways and SpiceJet rallied today after a group of ministers recommended allowing the domestic carriers to directly import jet fuel. ATF accounts for 40 to 50% of an airline's total cost in India. The GOM suggestion will need an approval from the Union Cabinet. The release of advanced GDP estimate for FY12 probably reminded investors that Indian economy is still hindered by various issues. Although the RBI has stopped hiking rates and inflation has moderated slightly, there are concerns about the government's fiscal situation and Eurozone debt crisis. Liquidity has been strong this year so far as most big central banks are running ultra-loose monetary policy to strengthen their economy. Some of the money is finding its way into risky assets like emerging market equities. How long this trend continues remains to be seen, so we would urge some caution at this stage. On the domestic front, markets will be keenly watching events like Uttar Pradesh state elections and union budget over the next few weeks. One must also bear in mind that quite a few top sectors of the economy are facing acute headwinds. Therefore, it would be prudent and sensible to stay alert and vigilant. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.